Hi, I am Aditi Agarwal, founder at So2 High. Today I have with me Dr. Wasima Khan, who is a naturopathy doctor, a nutritionist, and a dietitian. Dr. Wasima is the founder of Healthy NutriDiets. With an experience of 10 years in her field, she has successfully treated patients from various ailments like obesity, hypertension, kidney, heart, liver disorders, thyroid, and arthritis. Dr. Wasima has worked with various hospitals, clinics, schools, and weight loss centers. With 10 years of experience, there's a lot to know and learn from Dr. Wasima. A very warm welcome, Wasima, at So2 High.
Thank you so much, Aditi. It's really nice to be here with you. And I would love to tell you about more about me because there is
Sure.
lots of things which I want people to know about it.
Yeah. So, Wasima, what has kept you going all these years?
Yeah, the main thing is that as I'm coming from a background which is really health conscious, as my father was a Delhi police officer, so I always seen him like working out regularly, like daily basis, whatsoever is the day, how hard is his schedule, he always take out time for himself.
Yeah.
First he exercise and then start his day, whatsoever is happening. So that things inspire me from the root comes from this, that
Mhm.
yeah, I feel like you should be more healthy to have a hectic life or to have a happy life. So that was the key actually. And after in my like early years when I was at my teenage,
Mhm.
I gained a lot of weight because I was also like other people's. I used to love sweets and I love butter chicken and butter paneer and things like that. So that and I was the only youngest one at my
Okay.
home. So everyone was like used to pamper me, okay, batao kya khana hai and things like that. And I used to love having that kaju ki barfi
Yeah.
was my weakness. So after gaining so much weight, and my colleagues, my friends in the school, they call me with the name of Moti. So
Yeah.
it was so sweet for them because I was
Mhm.
chubby, and people find it more cute when you are gaining
Yeah.
weight. But somehow when I grow up, those things start hurting me from inside because I was never been able to wear western clothes at that time, because even
Mhm.
myself not feeling confident wearing all that.
Yeah.
And somewhere it was hampering my confidence level.
Okay.
So then I thought, why not to change? That's how I come to naturopathy, and then I start my transformation on my own. I was the first, my own. I was the only patient of my own. So first I treated myself. So
Yeah.
I know what is the basic.
Mm-hmm.
If you've gone through with life in so many things, so you know that how to treat yourself. First, what is the thing you need to change? So
Mm.
that's how I started. And then I understand what are the milestones which we need to achieve. What is the basic things we need to change? So first I transform myself, and then I start doing work with others.
Wow.
Actually, I
Mm-hmm.
have two kids,
Okay.
and in the first pregnancy I was not gaining so much weight, because it's generally with one kid you don't tend to gain lot of weight. But
Yeah.
after second baby it was so hard to have a flat stomach, because two times you get pregnant and all these things. Yeah, of course it takes a lot, right?
Yeah.
It takes lot of efforts and lot of things to be in shape as you were. So
True.
yes, I also gained 18 kgs in my 9 month of second pregnancy.
Okay.
And when you are into such field, that pressure also there, and I don't want to see myself again into my teen thing, as I
Yeah.
have also suffered all that things. So I want myself to come after after giving birth to my second baby, I was exactly at the same weight as I was before giving the birth. So
Okay.
I gained in 2 months I gained so much weight
Oh.
after delivering. Then I thought that it's high time. I have to lose this weight. Otherwise, if you are not losing in the just after delivering your baby, if you are not losing at that time, then it would be more hard to lose weight.
Very true.
So
Yes.
I thought this is the right time, and whatsoever is there, I have to lose the weight, because I don't want to be as same as I am for whole of my life. So
Mm-hmm.
that time I started losing my weight, and thank God I was able to. reach at the same point as I was before the baby.
Oh, wow. Great. And what is the biggest strength of yours?
Of course, family and your parents, your husband, and
Mhm.
everyone. If everyone is giving you support, then of course only then you are able to do something. And that motivation which is coming from inside, I never stop myself from working, because I know how things changed when you
Yes.
are changing yourself. When you're working on yourself, there are a lot of changes which comes along with the diet and with lose weight.
Mm-hmm.
Because with my diet, I prefer people having more of natural home cooked food, right? Our Indian normal food. So I want people to have their proper normal meals and then lose. So that's how, if they start you losing the weight in a natural way, then the hormone problems become normal. Even in last week only, there
Mm-hmm.
is a patient, you must have heard about diabetes in pregnancy only.
Yes,
After
it
that,
happens.
people get cured with that, but
Mm.
in only, yeah, in only pregnancy time they have such problem. So in just 1 week, she was like, nahi ho raha hai. You have given me chapati and everything, and my doctor wants me to stop all these things. I said, just have patience and just follow it properly and take your time, you will find the results. And after 3 weeks, she was like, oh god, mera to bp bahut low ho gaya, mera sugar level bhi bahut kam ho gaya. I was
Wow.
like, see you, that's what I was saying. Yeah. So I
It's
know what are the
magic.
benefits.
Mm-hmm. So, Dr. Vasima, can you tell me any particular, turning point in your career?
Yes, of course. After the pandemic, as I was busy in schools and clinics, and
Mm-hmm.
after this pandemic happened, then everything is changed. Schools have been closed and clinics and everything. I was not able to go because of my kids, right? Because they're so small, and the fear of pandemic was really high the time of the
Mm-hmm.
beginning of all that. So I was like, I will not be able to continue in the clinic and school. So what are the other options, right?
Yes.
So that time I start working more things on online. So
Okay.
when I start myself doing more on online, then I see that lots of people are who are not in my contact directly, but they
Mm.
really need my guidance.
Okay.
So I don't want people to have, like people are mostly following calorie deficient diet. So they are
Mm-hmm.
not having chapatis for a month. That's how they lose. And this is very bad. So after seeing people over there, I feel, okay, I need to do little more. So that's
Mm-hmm.
how I start my YouTube channel, my Instagram. I was keep doing my Facebook updates from like last 10 years. But
Mm-hmm.
now I have started putting videos everywhere so that people can understand really what is the basics of diet. You don't need always
Okay.
to starve yourself. Bhuka rehna nahi hai. You don't need to be hungry all the time.
Mm-hmm.
But you need to eat perfect food for the perfect timing.
Exactly. And so this healthy nutri diets is also you also started healthy nutri diets in this lockdown?
No, I have started it like 10 years before. I started just to make people more aware. But
Mm.
then I thought, I think I need more of, more of connection. So I started the YouTube and Insta thing so that people are more connected to me so they can understand.
And any experience or incidents which is very close to your heart?
Yes, of course. Previously, I was more into weight loss and weight gain,
Mm-hmm.
right? Or otherwise, I was in naturopathy.
Mm.
But after coming all these years, when I got to know that people are so happy just because they are out of some their health problems. And if ladies are depressed, that's the biggest issue, that in our society there are a lot of women who are depressed from inside, but
Yes,
they never share their things to anyone,
true, true.
right? And that's how they start doing the thing, that they start eating lots of wrong food at the wrong timing,
It happens. Mm-hmm.
right? They don't have time, or otherwise they, whenever they feel depressed, they eat something really heavy, and that's how their metabolism and everything is impacting them very badly. I have seen in clinics that there are lots of patient with PCOD or PCOS, and which is really giving me like, oh please parents, start giving them normal food. Don't
Okay.
pamper them with pizzas, burgers and pasta, because when you are not in the world, or when you are not present, when these little girls will be married, that time they would be really hard for them to conceive, right? At that time you will not be able to help them.
Yes.
So for that thing, for making them more healthy, I want them to have normal Indian food. That's why I always tell every parent and every lady, please stop like, trying to eat different food. When people feel really happy from inside, that makes me happy that yes, something is changing from inside. With the diet, you're changing your body, which is easily able to see with everyone, right? But something is changing from inside, which is really rare, really rare. People can lose weight, but they cannot make themselves happy.
And doctor, any piece of advice you would like to give, any suggestion you would like to give to our viewers regarding their health?
Yes, of course. I would like to add here that people, if they have lots of pain in their body, that is because of excess of sugar they are taking in their diet, or excess of toxins they have in their body. So
Okay.
if they detoxify their body, or if they reduce the intake of sugar in their body, they stop having that immense pain they have generally every day. Whenever someone is standing and doing some work, they have really bad pain in their feet.
Yeah.
So if you are going through with such problem, then start eating more healthy things, and you would be able to cure it also.
Okay. Thank you, doctor, so much for your advice. It was great having you at So to High today.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Aditi.